Hey Group 6, Ms. Schwartz back. We are ready for Advanced Reading Deck. Remember to be in listening learning position, and we should get through this a little quicker now that you have had practice already. So, ready? Begin. K, S, A, digraph CK, G, L, N, digraph NG, D, C, T, I, capital I, P, O, F. Good job on Advanced Reading Deck. Next, Initial Reading Deck, Keyword and Sounds. Again, listening learning position, reminder not to drop our chin on the schwa sounds. Begin. Nest, n. Fish, f. Sock, s. Nose, z. Table, t. Pig, p. Leaf, l. House, h. King, ng. Sink, ng. Octopus, ah. Apple, ah. Kite, k. Cup, k. Truck, k. Igloo, I. Dog, d. Goat, g. Good job. You are getting quicker, and before we know it, we will be adding more letters and sounds to the deck.